Guys, welcome back to my DIY koi pond. Today it's time to clean my 3-barrel filter system, so I just want to post another video just to show you guys about it. So first of all, let's take a look at my pond. So as you can see, I have some plants growing really nicely now, while my water iris having flowers, and my pond looks more natural now. And of course I got some kind of garden fencing around the pond area here, just to keep the kids away. My chili pepper not growing really great because there was some frosty night, and the other plants is dead. Same thing, frost problem. And of course I haven't had a chance to do the string algae treatment yet, so I still have some string algae floating around in my pond. My water lilies are coming back up slowly. Water is clear. Well, apparently all the whole bunch of leftover goldfish only. I don't have any koi as I can see. Yeah, I think they're all goldfish. So I may have to make a trip to the garden center to get some koi, new koi, to put them back into the pond. But this is another view from my deck. So quite a whole bunch of goldfish. I thought there was some koi, but it doesn't look like. My waterfall is still holding up okay over there. So I got some plants from my neighbors coming through, which make my pond more natural looking. Okay, let's go and take a look at the 3-barrel filter. Now let's go inside the shed, take a look at the 3-barrel filter system. Alright, so it's been 4 weeks already since I got the system started. I haven't done any cleaning in the barrels. I did clean the pump before I went off on vacation for a week, but I haven't done anything with the barrel yet. So you can see it's quite dirty now. So that's why I'm going to try to clean it today. Previous video, I'm going to turn out my UV light. Okay. Then I'll turn up the pump. 3-barrel. Then I will open this bypass and close the UV light valve. So this way, no dirty water will back up into the UV light unit. And I need the shop vac, of course. All right, I got my shop vac here connected to this port. So I'm gonna start cleaning number, let's see, what number first? Let's do number 2 first. So I'm doing number 2 first. I'm gonna drop the water level a little bit lower so I can so the dirty water doesn't go over to barrel number 3. Just lower than this outlet, something like that. Stop it now. Then I will turn on the shop vac. Wrong one. So close this one, open this one. My bad. So I'm gonna run for about 2 minutes. So that's about 2 minute cycle. Now I open this valve to drain it. Let's check the water outside. Look at that. So as the floating up, it will activate the pump. Wow. Yes, it didn't work. There you go. So that will pump the water to my garden. Alright, so that barrel number 2 is drained off. Close it now. So I'm going to do the same for barrel number 1. So then I can fill up 2 barrels at the same time. So we close that one, open this one. And again, we're going to be running for 2 minutes. Okay, so that's 2 minutes. Open the valves, drain out the dirty water, turn on the sprinkler pump. Sibera #1 water condition. How dirty that is. Alright guys, so I ended up doing 3 cycles of 2 minutes cleaning on each barrel. Now just start filling up the system now. And I have the UV back on. Turn up the bypass valve and turn on these UV valves. And turn the UV lights back on. You can see in there. So you can see the meters are much cleaner now. So this should be good for 4 more weeks at least. So next time I would do only maybe 2 cycles for each barrel. 2 cycles, 2 minutes for each barrel. All right. Okay guys, so that's it, my first cleaning for this year for the 3-barrel filter system. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.